Local SEO is changing faster than it ever has, so if you're using a playbook from 1 or 2 years ago, you're already behind. In 2026, your local rankings aren't just about reviews and keywords. Instead, they're about trust, consistency, and real-world signals that AI is using to understand your business. So in this video, I'm going to show you what makes up a winning local SEO strategy in 2026, what matters more now and what matters less, and how to put all these pieces together to help move the needle instead of wasting time on old tactics that don't work. So let's get into it. Alright, so it's important that we reset the expectation of what local SEO means and what actually moves the needle in 2026. That means that in 2026, local SEO is no longer just about optimizing your Google business profile, ranking in the map pack, or collecting as many reviews as you possibly can. Now, I'm not saying that those things don't matter and aren't a big part of local SEO, because they are, but they're not the end-all things anymore now that AI search exists. And the reason why is because Google and AI tools like ChatGPT are now asking these following questions. Is the business real? Is the business trusted? Is it consistently talked about across the web? And does the website page structure actually support what the Google business profile says as far as what it is that business does and where that business does it? Your strategy in 2026 needs to answer all of those questions, as well as those top 3 things that I talked about, which is to optimize your Google business profile, ranking in the map pack, and getting as many reviews as you can. So to sum it all up, in 2026, there's more that needs to be done to be able to move the needle to have a winning local SEO strategy. So now that there's more to do, let's talk about the actual strategy pillars that make up a good local SEO strategy in 2026. Pillar number 1 is that your Google business profile is your foundation. Let me be perfectly clear. Your Google business profile is still the center of gravity for local SEO. This means that your Google business profile should clearly state what it is that you do, meaning the services that you do, and where it is that you do it, meaning the locations that you actually service. Once you have that Google business profile set, the next thing is to make sure that everything else that you do in your strategy backs that up, meaning the reviews that you get, your website page structure, and the citations that exist online that talk about your business. If all of those different components don't line up, the rankings in Google and other AI tools become unstable. So the key takeaway strategy that I want you to get from this pillar is that your GBP profile doesn't work alone anymore. It has to agree and be backed up by everything else that you're doing in your local SEO strategy. Pillar number 2 is that reviews are a trust system, not a numbers game. While the number of good 5-star reviews does matter a lot, in 2026, there's actually more factors that you also need to consider. And some of these factors include: how often do you get reviews? What do customers actually mention in your reviews? Do you respond to every review, and how do you respond to them? And do the patterns of how you get reviews look natural? Google and AI tools read reviews just like they read content. What that means is that if people talk about services in the review, that matters. If people talk about the locations that you actually served in the review, that matters. And what that means is that you need to have a consistent review strategy. You need to have reviews constantly trickling in. And the reason for this is because there's a lot of bad players online that sell reviews and things like that. And so if Google sees a quick spike in a whole bunch of 5-star reviews and then it quickly dies off, they can see right through that, and they'll actually lower your rankings if they see stuff like that happening. So the key takeaway from this strategy is that reviews are consistent proof that your business is doing what it says it does, where it says it does it. And having an ongoing, recurring review strategy is super important to having a successful local SEO strategy in 2026. Pillar number 3 is that consistently posting on your Google business profile signals activity to Google. This means that posting on your GBP isn't optional anymore. By posting consistently, it tells Google that your business is active, that the location of your business is relevant, and that your business is paying attention. Now, what I'm not saying here is that you need to post in your GBP every single day. But what I am saying is that you need to post consistently, and it needs to have intent. Now, posting in your GBP isn't something that's just gonna automatically rank you to the top of the map pack, but it is a signal to Google that your business is active. And in 2026, there are more signals that AI and Google care about to make sure that your business gets more visibility. The 4th pillar is that location and service pages on your website do the heavy lifting when it comes to local SEO. This is one of the biggest changes we've seen in local SEO since the introduction of AI search. Your website matters more in local SEO than it ever has before. And the reason why is because Google and AI tools are looking at your website to make sure it matches number one, your Google business profile stating what it is that you do and where it is that you do it, as well as is it supporting the citations and all of the other mentions online that say what it is that you do and where it is that you do it. This means that generic one-page websites no longer will cut it if you're a local business. The pages on your website need to clearly explain what services you offer as well as the locations that you service. And you need to make sure that your website has service, location, and even service plus location type pages to help Google to understand exactly what it is that you do. Poor website structure is one of the biggest mistakes that we see businesses make when they're not ranking well in local SEO. For us and our clients, we've seen some of the biggest lifts and fastest lifts in rankings just by fixing the page website structure that exists to make sure that it supports the GBP as well as the citations that exist online. So the key takeaway from this pillar is that your website needs to back up what your Google business profile says when it comes to what it is that you do and where it is that you do it with good page structure. Pillar number 5 is that citations and brand mentions build authority. This simply means that making sure that lots of places online understand what the name of your business is, the address of your business, and the phone number of your business, as well as the profile, meaning what does your business do and where you serve, is important to have that information in multiple places across the internet. And the easiest way to do that is by creating local SEO citations. But you don't just create local citations once, you create them consistently. And the reason why is that Google is looking for confirmation, not noise. By having consistent citation creation, you're reinforcing to the internet, to Google, to AI tools, what your business is called, where it's located, what you do, and where you service. Citations support trust, and that's exactly what Google and these AI tools are looking for. They want to be able to trust your business to make sure that it's real. And if they trust it, they'll raise you in their rankings and give you more visibility inside of their AI search. So when it comes to how AI tools have shifted local SEO strategy, here's the biggest shift for 2026. AI-powered tools don't just rank your business, they summarize it. So what that means is in order for them to summarize what your business is, what it does, and where it services, they need to have clear information in multiple places. If there's conflicting information about your business online, that can hurt their ability to be able to summarize correctly what your business does. That's why putting effort into creating branded content and repurposing it across multiple platforms is more important now than it's ever been before. You can control the narrative of what is said about your business online. Because if AI can't confidently describe your business, it's not going to recommend it to users who are having a conversation with an AI tool. So let's quickly put all of this together. A winning local SEO strategy in 2026 includes the following. Number 1, a strong and optimized Google business profile. Number 2, consistently getting new 5-star reviews. Number 3, consistently posting on your GBP. Number 4, making sure that your website page structure supports what your Google business profile says about what you do and where you do it. And number 5 is to create supporting local SEO citations and mentions and creating content to support and drive the narrative of what is being said about your business online. Each one of these pieces reinforces the others, but missing any one of these pieces weakens the whole system and can hurt your local SEO strategy. Now, if you want to learn the how-to behind each of these different steps inside of a good winning local SEO strategy, then click the link below and join our school community. Inside of our community, you can unlock our local SEO course. This course shows you the exact system that our experts use to craft and implement a winning local SEO strategy to help your local business to rank higher online. So if you want to learn how to actually implement a local SEO strategy, even if you've never done local SEO before, then click the link below, join our school community, and unlock our local SEO course. If you found this video helpful, please make sure that you hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we put out more helpful content like this. And if you want to learn even more about local SEO, then make sure that you watch this video. In this video, we go over one of the key parts of local SEO that can really move the needle in helping you to rank higher in the map pack. So click this video and we'll see you over there.